So gang, if y'all don't know, my dream car is a Porsche. So we are out here looking at the Porsche. This right here, what they call Marcus, a Cayenne?
And then this the big boy, this the turbo right here.
I don't need no turbo. I don't know if y'all can see in the inside, but it looked like I probably would have room for the kids.
Yeah, it's definitely wide enough. Yeah, that's a lot of room.
This right here, what this one is?
Turbo. That's a Cayenne turbo right there.
I'm gonna see how. I'm in heaven, y'all.
I like this red one right here.
Marcus like the red one. The red one. This is nice. If this place wasn't closed right now, y'all, I'd be done test drive one. I swear I'd be done drive off of one. This is nice. I like the black insides. All of them got the stripes going, the light. This ain't no making.
I know, it's a Cayenne. Oh, you got the nice sunroof, the whole moonroof. My bad, I said sunroof.
Oh, what the price is? What the price is?
Say moonroof, y'all.
What's the price on this one? Oh Lord, I wouldn't drive off with this one. This one costs too much. This right here is $106,000. Where the used ones at? Where the used ones at? Oh, cause all these brand new. Oh shoot, we need to go over there where the used ones at, Marcus. 90. I need something way lower than that. I need a used one, a good used one. Yeah, we have to walk over there to the used ones. Y'all, can y'all see me in a Porsche? Like, beep, beep, move over. Beep, beep, Brienne. Big Bree in the building. How much?
This one 83.
That's still too much. Lower than 83. We need to go down some more. Down more, down more. We're going to go look at the used ones because ain't nothing. I'd rather buy a used car anyway to save some money. I only bought one brand new car in my life. And that's because at the time, the used cars cost more than the new cars. Is that cash crying? Okay, we gotta hurry up. Oh, hold on. So this is what Marcus like.
All thing is a 4-seater.
I know. So that had to be your car, like your car. These ones brand new too. Dang, all they got is new ones. Where the used ones at? These look kind of different. These must be electric cars. These must be electric cars. Because these look kind of different. Yeah, I think these different, Marcus. They don't got no gas tank. Oh, yeah, it's on this side. My bad. 108? What they say? What kind of car are they?
Cayenne. 2023.
He's nice. That's nice. They got what? What that is?
That's 107.
107. How much this one is?
I don't see no price.
Oh. That part, that's a used one part. Well, I don't know. It got a sticker in it. That might be somebody's car. Marcus done pulled over and took me to the Porsche dealership. Now he got me in the mood like to really buy one now. I've been scared to really buy one, but I don't know, y'all. I want one now. I want one real bad, real bad. I want to act bad this summer. I want to act bad this summer in the Porsche, baby. In the Porsche. Yeah, I'm definitely getting a pre-owned one, a certified pre-owned. But I'm getting one. It's coming. It's coming. I've been real patient. It's coming soon. It's coming soon.
2,000 years later.
right, TJ sitting in the Porsche.
Yeah. Oh,
Big dog.
okay, this is good.
You like this?
I need.
Don't touch all over it. Would you and Cash and Harmony be able to sit back there? You got enough room?
Harmony can sit right here. No, I can sit right here, and then I can sit right here, and then Harmony can sit like this.
Okay.
Oh my God, this one is beautiful.
This beautiful. Okay.
5 minutes later.
What it do, gang? So I'm out here about to get an oil change, but I see a Porsche that I like the color. So I'm gonna take a look real quick. See what it's looking at. See what it's checking.
Y'all like Macans and Cayenne. Older gentleman traded this one in, and that's as well. This is the black leather interior. I like this exterior color, honestly, just because it's unique.
I'm gonna record it for my husband to
Yeah,
see.
go ahead and take your picture. I'll get out your way. I don't know if he wants to see me yet.
Oh, there's a lot of room in this back seat.
There's Bose speakers in there, so it's a good speaker in the car. Don't ask me what that is. I don't know. That's not coming with the car.
Oh, okay.
Does have your WeatherTech mats here. You know anything about those? You got
No.
them in the Jeep? So that's just basically like an all-weather mat. I know you mentioned having the kids and everything. When you got those WeatherTech mats, they just hold up really well. It's basically how it sounds. They just, for all weather, they hold up really, really well. It's about $1,000 set of mats.
Mm.
Yeah, older guy had this car. So this one's been, pretty well kept. He's kept it in the garage and everything like that. He just,
I looked at one earlier, and it didn't look good on the inside. So I ain't.
Which one?
It was at JT Kia.
Oh, okay.
They had the beige. I really didn't want beige anyway, but it just didn't look too good. This one looks real nice.
It is. I'm a fan of both of them. I just like Porsches though.
Yeah.
I mean, the Macan's a nice one, and then the Cayennes are nice as well. It's standard 20-inch tires on them, all-weather tires. I can get you a Carfax on it too, as far as the history report on it. But like I said, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the guy who had it was the only owner. But
Okay.
don't quote me on that. I'd have to check.
Okay.
You want to crank it up?
I was just,
You just have to have the key in the cup holder. You can
Okay.
crank it up though.
this thing I got a lot of space in here. If I had to put the keys in here, I could.